Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we're going to be making semolina fufu. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, I'll begin by measuring out 1 cup of semolina, which I will use to make something like a slurry, and this is going to serve as our base for semolina fufu. So this method I'm using here guarantees a lump-free outcome. Okay, so you just add 1 cup of water to it and then you mix it together until it gets to this consistency. So now I'm just going to bring to a boil 5 cups of water. So while that is boiling, I will measure out 2 cups of semolina. Alright, so that 5 cups of water, I'm going to use it for this 3 cups of semolina. So our water has come to a boil. Now I'm just going to scoop out a little bit of it. So here we are going in with the slurry. Okay, and please keep the temperature at medium. You don't want it too high. So once in, we will stir this until everything is well combined. Alright, then I'll cover it and allow to cook on a medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes or thereabouts. Alright guys, so after 6 minutes, this base is bubbling nicely. I will give it a quick stir and then we'll begin to add in the rest of semolina bit by bit. Okay, and while you're adding, you should continue stirring until a dough is formed. And while on this stage, increase your temperature. Okay, use high temperature for this stage. I hope you're enjoying this recipe up till now. If you do, don't forget to like and share. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Thank you. So you're just going to continue stirring this, okay, until you have everything in, until you have all your semolina in it. So you're going to stir until a dough is formed. Alright, so if you want it to be soft, then you add less semolina, okay? Because the more semolina you add in, the harder it gets. But if you want it hard, then go in with more semolina. Alright. So now this is a good consistency for me. I like it like this, but our semolina is not cooked yet. Okay, so we are just going to add in that water we took out earlier. We're going to go in with it. Then you're going to cover the pot and let that cook. Okay, and let it cook on a medium heat this time. And here you have it. Our semolina is fully cooked. So we're just going to mix this very well. Alright, I know it takes a lot of strength for this, but try as much as you can, okay, to mix it well. Alright, we need it very well incorporated. So after mixing the dough, and then it's ready. Okay, this is ready for you to enjoy now, and you can have this with any soup of choice. Okay, I have lots of soup recipes in my channel, so just take a look around there and find out the best for you. So you see how this is? It's not sticking on my hands, and it's not too soft and it's not too hard. That's the best consistency. So that's me done with this semolina. I'm just gonna eat a little bit of it. And then we're gonna put the other ones in a cling film and get it ready for the rest of the family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.